Hi everyone, today in this video we'll see various uses of OLA Money, how you can spend OLA Money effectively or use it in various places, because the better thing or the advantage with the wallet is how many places it is applicable. That way makes a wallet more effective or usable. So now I'm facing some issue with send money or withdraw money of OLA wallet. Otherwise we will be having the send money and withdraw money options as well. They are working on some KYC issues which are due to this Aadhaar things, but once it is done, even you can withdraw the money, which if you feel if it is just sitting there in OLA wallet, you can just withdraw the money and you can pay people using a QR code or your PIN and mobile number. So this way you can pay it, and you can do recharges like mobile, DTH, data card, metro, and you can pay bills, mobile bills, electricity bills, gas bills, and you can see there's an option called do more with OLA Money. So you can book tickets on Book My Show, Domino's, Food Panda accepts this. Grofers, Big Basket, and Fab India are coming soon. You can pay your ACT broadband bill. You can book tickets on goibibo, Yatra, Abibus, etc. So these are the so many cool things which you can do with your OLA wallet. And the most significant thing is you can pay your OLA rides without any hassle. You don't have to like check for the exact. You don't have to tender the exact money change to the driver at the last moment. Automatically the amount gets kept, amount gets paid through OLA wallet, so you don't have to worry about paying them. And the transaction would also be like the cab booking process will also get expedited. It gets faster because if your OLA wallet option is enabled by default, if you have some money on that, you can generally directly go for cab booking. You don't have to change it to cash, and you don't have to check whether you have the cash or not, and you don't have to stop at any nearby ATM. You don't have that don't have to bear that headache. You just keep money in the wallet, and automatically the trip gets started and trip gets automatically paid as well. If your OLA Money falls short of some money which your trip has, then that remaining money you can pay through cash at the end. So these are the options which OLA Money provides you. Hope this video was helpful. If you want to add money to OLA, then check out the video on the right top. I have already created one. So by watching that, you will know how you can add money to OLA wallet. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye.
You say you wanna try, but you never